everyone, welcome back. If Scotiabank Interface e-transfer is not working, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, confirm that e-interface is enabled on your account and not temporarily restricted. Now, make sure you have enough balance to send transfer. If the trial fails, log out of the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, wait for a few seconds and reopen it, then log back in. Also, check if Scotiabank or services are under maintenance. If the problem continues, contact Scotiabank support to review your transfer limit. And that's it. Subscribe for more